Hey everyone, Dave here with Dave Does It, and not getting a whole lot accomplished today, but still out here to get my no 0-day streak continued. Just kind of wondering if anybody has experience with the cross member for the C10 trucks. They cost like 68 bucks on eBay. They say they're for 5-inch or more drop. Just wondering if anybody has any experience using it on less drop than that. I've got 3-inch drop springs for front and rear. And this cross member, as you can see, it is bent a little bit. It is quite pitted on this side. I mean, for what I plan to do, it would probably be fine. Yes, there's a little hole in there. It's a little thin on this side as well. But I want to do things right. I want to do things good. And the shape of these nuts on the drive shaft support carrier, like this one side is completely gone on the nut. There's cotter pins through there that are frozen in place. I cannot pull them out. And the bottom of the nuts are up underneath. I said nuts, I mean the bolt heads are under there, under that plate that is riveted in place. I could grind the rivets off, take that whole plate off, and kind of redo it. But I'm just wondering if it's possible to use that $68 cross member off eBay and use a different type of carrier bearing. They have different styles. Yeah, I can get a stock replacement one for like 18 bucks. There's no provisions on that other mount for a stock style one. I mean, I could drill a couple holes and bolt it down. But just wondering if they're meant for a one-piece drive shaft, or if I can get by with using one of them, keeping my 2-piece drive shaft. So, anyhow, that's all for now. No 0 days. Take care.